Have you ever heard a cloud sneeze? Fluttershy wakes up. She hears a strange sound. It's a loud hic from outside. Fluttershy goes outside. She sees a little Cloudpuff. It keeps hiccuping loudly. It looks very uncomfortable. Pinkie Pie bounces over. She hears the hiccups. That Cloudpuff looks sad, she exclaims. She wants to help. Rarity arrives gracefully. She examines the Cloudpuff. Such a delicate creature, she says. Those hiccups are dreadful. Applejack walks over. Maybe it needs some good apple cider, she suggests. That fixes most things on the farm. Rainbow Dash flies down. It needs some excitement, she declares. I'll do a super fast flyby. Twilight Sparkle arrives with a book. Let's see, she says. Hiccups. Usually caused by... She starts reading. Fluttershy gently talks to the Cloudpuff. It's all right, little one, she whispers. We'll help you feel better. Pinkie Pie makes funny faces. She hopes to make the Cloudpuff laugh. Maybe that will stop the hiccups. Rarity offers a soft cloud silk scarf. Perhaps something comforting, she suggests gently. The Cloudpuff still hiccups. Applejack offers a tiny cup of diluted cider. The Cloudpuff sniffs it. Then it hiccups again. Even louder. Rainbow Dash does a dazzling loop. She hopes to surprise the hiccups away. The Cloudpuff just blinks and hiccups. Twilight finds something in her book. It says, Cloudpuffs get hiccups from giggling too much, she exclaims. The ponies remember yesterday. They had a big giggle fit. The Cloudpuff was laughing the loudest. So, Twilight says thoughtfully, maybe we need to make it unfunny? The ponies look at each other. Pinkie Pie tries to tell a very unfunny joke. It's so bad. It's almost funny. The Cloudpuff just stares. Rarity appears in a very plain gray outfit. No frills, she announces seriously. The Cloudpuff remains stoic. Applejack tells a long, detailed story about sorting apples. It's incredibly dull. The Cloudpuff yawns and hiccups. Rainbow Dash flies very slowly. It's the opposite of exciting. The Cloudpuff just watches hiccuping. Fluttershy sings a very quiet, slow lullaby. It's meant to be calming. The Cloudpuff's eyelids droop. Hiccup. Twilight thinks hard. If too much laughing caused it, she says, maybe the opposite will work. Extreme seriousness. The main six stand in a very serious line. Their faces are completely straight. They look intensely at the Cloudpuff. The Cloudpuff looks at their serious faces. It looks from one pony to another. Its little face starts to twitch. Suddenly, a tiny giggle escapes the Cloudpuff, then another, and another. The hiccups seem to be stopping. The Cloudpuff starts to laugh heartily. The more it laughs, the fewer hiccups it has. The ponies smile. Finally, the last hiccup is gone. The Cloudpuff floats happily, giggling softly. The ponies cheer. Twilight realizes something. Too much of anything isn't good. Even too much laughter can cause trouble. They learn that balance is important. Finding the right amount of fun and calm is key to happiness. The Cloudpuff nuzzles Fluttershy. It bounces happily around Pinkie Pie. It seems very grateful. What makes you happy? Find your own balance. Enjoy laughter and calm. Equestria is full of joy.